Many people are starting to make their promo pieces today with newsprint, which is an incredibly affordable way to go and very, very nimble for an exhibition catalog. This was an exhibition catalog. This was newsprint that became an exhibition catalog as well. So affordable. Next step would be working with MagCloud and customizing the cover. This was one of my favorite promos from PhotoFest this year that John Tong from England made, where he custom made his cover, scored it to be a lay flat, and hand did it. Then the next step is to work with someone like Conveyor or Horse and Buggy Press, where you have people who have all the tools at their fingertips, whether you want a letterpress cover, digitally produced insides, but there's so many different ways to go. Really mindful expense rather than going straight to the $30,000 to have a book made. Think about making a smaller promo piece first.